kita buat kan, dedication, ada sangat passion. Lepas tu tengok company tu hilang. Okay, kita bawa ramai. Produk memang MLM bagus, tapi company dia marketing plan keep on changing. Okay, keep on changing. Okay. Lepas itu saya pun susah kan, selalu keep on changing. Lepas tu company hilang. Kita memang nak buat. I pun tak nak apply, sudah phobia. Okay, so masa dia nak perkenalkan saya memang sakit. Lepas saya tak boleh jalan, bukan tak boleh jalan, boleh jalan sikit-sikit juga. Saya memang my weight increasing ya. Saya put on weight. So I thought saya ada arthritis. So I thought I'm becoming fat kan, putting on weight. Then because my mother pun ada arthritis juga. Then anak saya doktor so I told my son, I takutlah jadi nanti bedridden. Siapa nak jaga saya? Masa COVID, kita jaga mak saya. Susah sangat jaga orang tua yang sakit. Bukan senang ya. Sakit pinggang lah. Adik saya sampai sakit pinggang. Tak boleh jaga dia. Saya tengok sudah takut tau. Nanti dia kena jaga saya. Oh my God, I was praying. Then I call my son in Ireland. I nak pergi Ayurvedic dekat India. Kan? Pergi duduk sana. Nanti saya tak boleh jalan macam mana. So anak saya pun hantar saya pergi Ayurvedic dekat India. 1 bulan saya duduk dekat India, treatment. Tapi treatment itu dia tak ada baik tau. Dia massage sampai saya punya ni jadi problem. Masa saya balik, saya dekat wheelchair lagi. Masa saya pergi, boleh jalan lagi. Datang lagi dengan wheelchair lagi. So I came back. Then I don't want to do anything. Then aku pergi Sunway Medical Center. Dia bagi painkiller, lepas tu physio. Itu saja. Saya pun tak suka lah. Then I stay there my upline. Dia datang saya, dia jumpa saya. Dia tu memang MLM networker lah. Masa dia panggil, dia ada business baru dia panggil saya. Hari tu dia panggil saya, Saras, I want to show you something. Oh, MLM ke? Tak nak lah, I tak nak buat MLM. I cukup buat MLM, tak nak. No, kawan lah, I'm your good friend. I'm coming to your house. Saya datang rumah saya, jangan cakap business ya. Okay, I warning dengan dia, jangan cakap business. Kawan boleh datang. Dia pun datang. Lepas tu dia bawa isteri dia. Lama saya jumpa dia, dia bawa isteri dia. Dia bawa kopi. Kopi dia tahu tak memang saya sakit. Dia pun pandai ya. Okay, so dia bawa coffee. Dia mix coffee for me. In the coffee, I like the coffee. Dia pun explain dia punya benefit. Dia kata dia tak ada transfer. Dia coconut oil, ada linseed. Dia menurunkan darah. Bagus. Linseed coffee ni bagus juga. Tak tua, tak nak dengar ke yang baik. Dia cakap benefit, mesti mendengarkan. Masa itu saya ada pressure tinggi, cholesterol border. And then okay lah, I'll drink the coffee. So I like the coffee, I just join. Masa itu sama-sama Azhar pun kita join sama sekali. Azhar dengan Ashraf. Then Azhar supposed to go for surgery dekat kaki dia kan. So I told Azhar, kalau tidak okay, then I will take the product, linseed product. Tengok-tengok Azhar 11 hari dia sudah okay, tak payah pergi surgery. Then I pun okay, trust the product kan, saya pun ambil produk itu. Tengok produk itu dalam I think 2 bulan I can see my weight reduce. So water retention, bukan rumah tau, itu water retention. Itu arthritis, I pergi India baru I tahu ada arthritis. I did x-ray. Dekat sini I tak tahu saya ada arthritis. So kaki saya ada memang plantar fasciitis. Tak boleh jalan lama, lepas tu tak boleh diri lama. Sakit bawah kan. So after taking the product, I can see slowly the pain reducing. I can see some improvement, my pressure also reduced. Bagus lah. Masa saya datang meeting, Robert and Natasha, Dr. Lee, dia orang banyak benefit tau sini, banyak testimony. Masa itu saya kan nak buat business. I nak introduce orang yang sakit. Masa dia buat meeting orang ini sakit, orang itu sakit, semua sakit-sakit. I nak introduce the product. Okay. So masa itu I introduce Nirmala, saya punya kawan baik. Dia tu supposed to go for lung transplant. Okay. So mula-mula anak dia doktor, mantu dia doktor. Dia jangan dengar apa cakap orang MLM, diri MLM. So every month dia admit ke hospital ICU. Dia spend 20,000 every month. Okay. So I told Akka, take the product lah. The product is so good. I see a lot of testimonies. Why don't you try? You take the hospital medicine, becoming worse. You have to go for lung transplant. Lepas tu Nirmala pun dia ambil lah. Slowly she ambil. Dia nak, tapi family dia warning dia, jangan ambil, tapi dia ambil juga. Dia ambil tapi all high dose lah. Dia Dr. Lin, Robert, Natasha was very helpful. So she took high dose because she cannot tahan pergi ICU every month kan. Then I see all increase, the pressure semua reverse already. Tak payah pergi lung transplant. Everything, there are 3 types of steroid, 3 types of inhalers. Everything all subside, and now she's no more in the steroid. Dia tak ada inhalers. Pressure ada, dia ambil half tablet saja. Dia takutkan kalau dia ambil pressure tablets, hypo. That means the Lindsay has corrected her pressure. So all these are good benefit. But I can see downline taking this Lindsay coffee alone, asthma okay already. No need to use the the puff. So all these are good benefits. I'm sharing with the people, not doing business mula-mula I'm sharing, looking for sick people. I want them to get well. Kita sangat sayang pada kita kawan kan. Kita share, kongsi saja. So dia suka dia belilah. So masa itu dia orang beli tengok, dia pun share. I dah achieve within a year pergi Shanghai. Sharing saja kan, kita tak jual dia, sharing saja pergi Shanghai. Bagus juga pergi Shanghai, tak ada jual. Okay, then I thinking I want to do the business. Then Robert and Natasha, they are my mentors. So I really thank you all, Robert and Natasha. And then we did the 1-1 plan. Okay, sekarang sampai dah pergi Chengdu kan, pergi Chengdu. Next year hope we go to Egypt. So the business is awesome. I never seen a business like this. Banyak business saya buat, tak pernah company macam ni Shombo. This is a health company. Don't think it's a MLM. MLM tak ada, ini health company. We are family. Okay? So you share with many people. Jangan jual. Kongsi dengan semua orang. You tengok orang dengan semua orang. You tengok orang semua. You don't care. You cakap dengan 10 orang, 2 orang dengar. Yang 8 itu tak apa je. Biarkan. Next. That's what I'm doing. Even from family members won't support. Sampai sekarang anak saya pun tak minum kopi. Okay? Adik saya, sister dan my brother take 1 year to consume the coffee. Orang lain cakap dia dengar, saya cakap tak dengar. Apa nak buat saya? So I tengok dia orang berjalan suatu macam yang sakit tau. My brother like that, take lah. You don't talk every time look all this thing, keep quiet you. Say like that. Sekarang adik saya nak coffee. I want coffee. Because dulu dia tu diabetic. When they prick, dia darah tu keluar. Dia kena picit tau. Sangat thick. Very thick. Now when it prick only the very fast come out. The blood come out. Dia pun recommend lah dengan kawan badminton player semua. Hari tu kawan dia 45 tahun. Masa dia main badminton, dia jatuh collapse and died. 45 tahun 2 major blocks. So I told my brother, recommend your friends. Don't do business. Recommend your friends. You help them. And then he's buying and giving them. So that's why I'm very happy about Shombo. This is a really, we are blessed here. Kita syukur lah kita dekat sini. And kita masa pergi Chengdu, kita very nice kan? Royal dining, fine dining. Yeah. Boleh dapat ke tak dapat? Even you kaya pun nak pergi pun susah. Sini Shombo bagi kita fine dining. Mana boleh dapat macam ni? So everything you make use. Jangan sia-siakan. Opportunity comes once, knock your door. Please make use of it. Even you kaya pun nak pergi pun susah. Sini Shombo bagi kita fine dining. Mana boleh dapat macam ni? So everything you make use. Jangan sia-siakan. Opportunity comes once, knock your door. Please make use of it. Thank you.